Hello student, our topic number 2 is a shapes mobile. Listen, read and do. Take a sheet of chart paper, draw the following shapes in big size on the chart paper. Clear the shapes as you like. Cut out the shapes, make a tiny hole at the top of each shape. Pass a string through the hole. Make a knot and tie the string to the shape. Look student, square, triangle, circle, rectangle, kite, all, egg, heart. Cloud, star, rainbow, moon, mango, flower, leaf, butterfly. Take two sticks and tie them together in the shapes of eggs. Tie the shapes to the arm of the eggs with their strings. Some strings should be short, some long. Tie a strong thread to the center of the eggs. Hold your mobile up with the strong thread. You can hang it anywhere you like.